When I renovated my house, I've got a big sort of 1.2 meter wide sliding door that when that's open, the living area and the kitchen and dining area, they morph into each other. But when it's closed, you can actually have those as separate spaces. So if my daughter's deciding she wants to, not that kids watch television anymore, they do everything on their computers, but if she happened to be in the lounge room, I could be in the kitchen, the dining area, and you know, and you can have our own separate sort of privacy and not inflict each other's entertainment choices on each other. But so the house or the property that you're looking at renovating, you know, it's to sum this rambling part of the episode up. It has to deserve being renovated, and it's called adding value. And if you're not actually adding value, and it's not just monetary value, it's adding utility and adding usability to that house. So like I said before, if you're going to lose a room to put a staircase in, you need to get a lot more on the upper level to compensate for that. And if you're not, then you have to think, well, is it worth it? So
are you actually detracting from the value rather than adding to the value? And it's a really good point that you make, because in assessing whether a property deserves to be renovated or not, you actually have to do a bit of a feasibility study to say, okay, well, I can see the vision for this property. I can work out where to put the stairs. I know the balance of bedrooms, bathrooms, living spaces. I know I can get, you know, that roughly right in my head. But what is it going to cost to get from A to B, C, D, or E? And is it something that you can sort of stage and do bits of along the way, or is it something that literally have to go from A to Z and there's no stopping in between?